Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, and the main focal point here that I want to get on the radar is that resistance trend line right there, which had been a pretty big stubborn area as far as the chart is concerned. But you can see today actually got the breakout of the trend line, and sure, it pulled back, but a breakout is still underway. So now things transition to, okay, yeah, the price has got the breakout, but how can we measure the health of the breakout itself? So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that so we don't have too much clutter all over the place. But now, in order to measure the health of the breakout, keep an eye on that level right there, the 50-period moving average, that purple line. And as time goes by, that line is going to, stay pretty even and then eventually begin to work its way upwards. The reason that level can help us out is hopefully we can agree on the logic that breakouts that are, actually true breakouts, the price is going to keep on breaking out, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. Hopefully you're saying, yeah, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a breakout is truly a breakout, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So if the price were to come down to that purple line and then just break down through it, at that point in time, that would literally then be putting the price, right back to where it was. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. So again, step one is complete. The breakout has happened. Now it's all about trying to get continuation, or in other words, make progress forward. And like I said, the quote-unquote progress point that we can use is going to be that purple line there. So going forward, let's see if the price can stay up above the 50-period moving average. On the flip side of things, yes, in order to make progress, not only does a price have to put in higher lows, but it's also got to be able to push up through levels of resistance, and that next key level of resistance is up here at $1.05, which I've talked about in past videos, so keep a close eye on that. But as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so about going through a healthy consolidation now and just maintaining and staying up above those levels of support to show that it can make some progress. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.